Okay, after watching that last clip, I think some of you have asked me for, oops, sorry, still doing my own videography, have asked me for a clip that's closer up on those pansies. So let's do that. This is Carla Pendleton. I'm teaching One Fire finger painted method for pansies. I want to show you real quick a very close video of my method for putting the pansy on the plate. Again, I'm using a piece of Corelle. I have moistened my fingertip with Betty Humphries Art Aid. That's what I'm using to condition my finger or my brush and to pick up paint. So let's lay in that first couple brush strokes on a pansy, a single pansy. I'm going to use French Mauve as the color of the back petals. Picking that up now. I'm going to lay quite a heavy load on there. We'll come back and detail these later. And that's the first petal. I'm going to turn slightly, and you notice I'm always pulling these strokes toward myself for the pansy. So there's the back two petals. You can kind of see, in case you lose separation, you can kind of see the separation of those two petals there, and one overlapping the other. Then we're going to go in and pull out an area for these side petals, which are going to be yellow. And so I want to kind of sketch the tops of those side petals in so that I can come back and remove some of that violet paint. Since I'm going to be painting yellow in here, I'm going to use corn, and I'm going to have to get rid of some of that heavy paint where those side petals are going to end up, or it will gray my corn. Now, I like to use the corn rather than the mixing yellow because it is a little bit more brown to it, is a little bit less translucent and intense than the mixing yellow, and so it's good for these side petals. I can play in it a little bit more without graying the color down. And so now I'm just going to turn slightly again, always pulling towards the center of that flower, and I'm going to get the, and I keep conditioning my finger because I don't want it to be too dry. I can't get enough paint on the piece if I'm using a really dry, streaky stroke here. Let's pull that one out just a little more. Now, let's turn the pansy upside down, and we're going to put in the apron petal. Again, I'm going to pick up a little of the Art Aid medium and some more paint, 2 or 3 strokes, and I'm going to repeat, picking up a little medium, picking up a little paint. And there you have it. There's the basic shape of the pansy. Always pulling those strokes in towards the center of the flower, towards the growth area here. You're always pulling towards this point here. If it helps, you can make your little center. Use a wipeout tool, and that will help you with targeting. And just pull that paint on, lay it on very heavy. Later we'll come in and detail that, and I'll do another close-up on that. Thanks for watching. God bless.